Yeah, hi. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today it is the extension class for the day 4 class. So I will explain the concept like network access control list and the security group here. And after that, after the explanation, I will create a simple demo project here, and I will create the VPC here. And after creating the VPC, I will launch an EC2 instance. In the EC2 instance, I will install simple Java application, and I will access that Java application through the security group and network access controls in the browser. So how it is working? So then I will show you today. So let me quickly share my screen here. Yes, I am sharing my screen. Yeah, so today's agenda is like, so what is NACL? What is NACL? What is security group? And VPC creation, launch the EC2 instance, install Java application. So playing with the rules here. Okay, so before I am going to explain the concepts of this NACL and security groups, I will tell you the real-time scenario. Okay, so I will tell you the real-time scenario, then you can easily able to understand the things here. So this is the airport. So you can consider as this is the, so this is the airport. Okay, and so here at the entrance level, this is the entrance level, right? So there is a security at the entrance. Okay, so there is a security guard or there is a security person in the entrance here. So he will check you. Oh, so if you are having the ticket, okay, if you are having the ticket, and he will allow into this particular airport. Okay, so if you have don't have any ticket, then you are not allowed into this particular airport here. Okay, so after entering into the airport, in the first entrance security, this, and there is one more security here. Okay, so after passing the entrance here, so you still need to pass through the another check at the boarding gate here. Okay, so only passengers with valid ticket, only passengers with valid ticket only, so they will allowed, otherwise they will not allowed here. Okay, so this is the concept. So here first security guard at the airport level here, so we can consider this is as NACL. So after entering into this particular airport, so if you are having a valid ticket for the airline, so Indigo. So this is the Indigo airplane. So if your ticket is belongs to this one, so then you can able to enter into this particular aeroplane. So let me explain one more example here. So I will draw one more time. Okay. So you are going to any mall or any DMart, like not DMart, any mall or any or you can take consider as our organization. So this our organization. So there is a security group here. There is a security gate here. Okay. So there is a security group. So this is the organization. This is the NACL. So you can consider network access control list. You can consider this example. So this security group and the security gate, you can swipe your ID card. So once you are authenticated person only, you can able to enter into our organization. So after entering into the organization, so there are multiple rooms here. Okay. So there are multiple ODCs here. So based on the ODC, based on your project team only, so you can after entering into after entering into the organization, so this ODC having security door here, this ODC having security door here, and this ODC having security door here. So if you are only belongs to this particular project A, this is the project A, this is the project B, and this is the project C. So you are belongs to the project A. So then only, so here again it will check the security. So you are belongs to A product or not. So then only you can able to enter here. So if you are belonging to the B project, so then only it will check your security. It will after entering into the swipe. So one more security here, right? So after swipe your ID card, so then only your authenticated person, then only you can able to enter this particular B room. So, and I will explain one more example here. One more example here. So that this will, I think this will very useful with you. Okay. So this is our metro. So metro station here. So once you entered into metro station, so you will take the ticket in the ticket counter. So after ticket counter, so there is a security here. Okay. So there is a security here. So this security man will check all the whatever the bags and all the persons he checked. So if there is any suspicious activity, so he can deny. He will not allow to the particular next step here. So in the next step, so there is one more security here. Okay. So here, so there are gate here. So there are one more gate here. So here we are having the ticket scanner. So once you are having with valid ticket, then only this gate will open and you can access the platform you want in the metro train. So this first person, this is called in the in our AWS terminology, this is the NACL. Okay, network access control list. He will check the permissions and he will check the rules. So then only you can enter into this particular next step. So after entering into the next step, so here one more security group here. So it will validating your ticket. So if you are having the valid ticket only, so then the gate will open. You can able to access this platform here. Okay, so now you can get you can having some idea here. So this security is security group here, and this security is NACL. So NACL. So let me show me the diagram here, then you can able to easily understand. Okay. So here, here this is the VPC. So this is the VPC. So this is the subnet here. In the subnet level, VPC sitting here. I mean, in the network access control list sitting here. So once you entered into the VPC, so in the subnet level we configured as NACL. Okay, NACL. So in NACL we are having the inbound and outbound rules here. There are two rules here. So we are mentioning all traffic allow. So this NACL will allow all traffic. After entering into the all traffic, so there is one more security group at the instance level here. So this is the instance. So this is the EC2 instance, and we are our application is here. Our application is here. So after entering into this NACL through the after entering into the through NACL, so there is one more security group here. So it will check the rule. So if you are having the correct port number to access our application, to you are having the exact IP address of IP address of the application. So then only you can able to enter into this particular instance and you can access this application. So this is the you can remember as whenever the instance level we are providing the security, then this is called security group. So whenever you are configuring the network, you are configuring the security in the network level. So this is the subnet level. Okay, in the subnet level, so there may be multiple EC2 instance here. There are multiple virtual machines here, but in our subnet level, we are configuring the network access control list here. Okay. So once your rules and everything is configured here, that will be true only. So then only you can able to enter here. Then you can access your application through your uh, IP address. So NACL it is the level of subnet level, and this is the instance level is the security group. So so the security person in the metro, so he will check all the things. Is if you are having any suspicious activity, he will not allow. So after entering into this particular metro platform, so this is the gate here. So if you are having the exact QR code with the ticket valid ticket, then only you can able to access this platform, right? So this is the concept I want to explain today. Okay, so I think you got a point. What is network access control list and what is the security group here? And in the security group, we are having the inbound traffic rules and outbound traffic rules. In the inbound means, so it is coming, the request it is coming from to the AWS. Okay. So inbound rules here. So inbound rules means the coming, it is traffic from the request it is coming from to the AWS. This is the inbound rules here. So outbound rule means it is the request it is coming out from the AWS to the outside. So this is the outbound rule. So this is the concept of network access control list and security group. So I will create today in the demo. So let me go back to my yes. So this is the concept like network access control list and the security group. So I am going to into my AWS console here. This is my console here. So today I will create one second. So let me go back here. Not this one. So I need to log in with AWS console here. AWS console login. I'm logging to my AWS console here. Sign in here. Yes. So I logged into my AWS console here. So today, I will explain the concept like how to create VPC. So I am creating VPC here. Just click on search bar in the search, you can type as VPC, and this is the VPC dashboard. So your VPC subnets, route tables, internet gateway, and security groups and network access control lists. Okay, so these are all I explained in the previous class. Okay, so whenever you are configured the networking rules, so on the subnet level, so that is called network access control list. Whenever you are providing the security groups with the instance level, so that is the security group in the instance level. So I am creating the VPC here. So VPC and more here. So the project I am I am just creating the example VPC. So I'm just creating example VPC here. So this is the VPC range here. So in the last previous class, I explained the VPC range. What is VPC range here? So it is providing the 65,536 IP addresses with us. So and we can use this 65,536 IPs to our applications. Okay. And next next I am giving the so this is the thing here, and I'm not giving anything here. So number of availability zones I am giving as two availability zones here. So number of public subnets I am taking the two public subnets here. Number of private subnets I am taking the two private subnets here, and this NAT gateway. So I'm not using any NAT gateway here, and VPC endpoint S3 gateway. So I will explain in future classes what is this VPC endpoint and through the S3 gateway. So and okay, everything is okay. Then additional tax, and is there any I need to give any additional tax here? No. Okay, so this is the VPC and more. So and this is the preview here. So this is my VPC. So these are the availability zones it is creating, and these are my route tables to access the particular application. So this is the internet gateway. Okay, so this using this internet gateway only, you can using this internet gateway you can route through the particular application here. So you can see here. So this is the internet gateway for our VPC. So these are the route tables to reach the target paths here. So these are the target paths here. Okay, this is our VPC. So I am just clicking on the next button here. Just I am clicking the create VPC. Okay, so it will take some time. So it will create the two subnets for us, create the internet gateway, and attach internet gateway. So create the route table. So create a route table access. Okay, associate route table here. So verify route table creation. So view VPC. Then go to the view VPC. Let me show me that VPC. So this is my VPC. So I am having four subnets here. Four subnets in one is private and one is public, and one is private and one is. So I am using the two availability zones with my VPC. Okay. So now let me create an EC2 instance here. EC2 instance. I am just creating a open in the new tab here. So go back to this slide here. EC2 instance. So instance, I mean launch an instance here. I am launching new instance here. So this is the same, this is the process, you know, right? So how to launch the so example VPC demo. Okay, so example VPC demo. So I am selecting as OS as Ubuntu, flavor as Ubuntu. Then next I am going to the next step here. So this is the free tier eligible here. I am selecting the key pair as new key pair. Okay, new key pair. So I want to edit this network settings because it is configured with the default VPC. Now edit this network settings here. So I will choose my example VPC here. Okay, and the subnet. So whenever you are creating the VPC, these subnets are linked to the private. Okay, this is not exposed to the world. So just we need to click on this public subnet. Okay. So US East 1B. So we are using the public subnet. Okay. Okay. You can select as public subnet. Public subnet. Okay. Then this is the most important. So you need to auto assign public IP because our subnet it is in public. So we need to show our Java application to the end users today. Okay. So I am going to the create. I mean whichever the created security group. And after that yeah, everything is fine. Then I am launching an EC2 instance. Okay, so now after launching the EC2 instance, so I will connect with this EC2 instance, and I will connect with my GitHub repository, and I will install the Java application. I will run the Java application here, and you can able to see the magic here. Okay, now go to the instances here. Instance is running or not? Yes, my instance is running perfectly. Okay, so this is my VPC. Okay, this is my VPC here. So now I will connect with my EC2 instance. Okay, so let me not here. 1 second. So download. I am having the key pair or not. I need to check once. If I am having key pair, then so click on right click, show more options here. So just a git bash here. And one more thing here, one moment here. So I'm just .pem file. So it is in my download folder or not. I need to check here. Okay. So yes, just I am clicking here. One moment, show more options. Just rename here. Just I'm copying this exact file path. So if you are not using the exact file path, you are not able to connect with your EC2 instance. Okay. So I will increase the font here. I will increase the terminal here. I will so SSH-I. So this is the new key pair, right? So I am pasting here dot pem file here. So my flavor is Ubuntu. So I need to use this IP address here. So where is my IP address? So this is my IP address. So whenever you want to connect with your EC2 instance, so this is the IP address. I mean, so whenever you launch EC2 instance, every time AWS will provide public IPv4 address. Okay, so you can use this public IPv4 address. You can connect with your EC2 instance. So I am just connecting with my EC2 instance. Paste here. Or you want to connecting with your EC2 instance? Yes, I want to connect with my EC2 instance here. Just now you can able to see. So I am connected with my EC2 instance. So I am just clearing the previous one. So whenever you launch an EC2 instance, just you need to type a command sudo apt update. Okay, one moment. So I think it is typing mistake. Control C here. Okay, sudo apt update. So it is sudo apt update in the sense it is updating the packages here. So this is the best practice. Okay, so whenever you are launch a EC2 instance, sudo apt update, so it will update the packages, and you can show 105 package can be upgraded. Okay, so then after that I will install the JDK. So I am going to my particular GitHub repository. So today I created the VPC sample project here. Okay, so this is the Java application I am running here today. So this is the Java application. So the port, it is the port I mentioned in the 8080. So it is running on the port number 8080 here. Okay, so the server is running on the port 8080. So then I am just creating just one HTML header here, this VPC demo project. So welcome to VPC demo project. So welcome to AWS services. So this is the simple VPC project hosted on the EC2 instance. Explore AWS networking concept with the AWS demo. So this is the Java program. So I will run this Java program, and this is the Java application. So I will run this Java application in my EC2 instance. I will access this Java application through my browser. So this is a simple Java program. Okay. So now I am going here. So where is the commands? Yeah, commands here. So after updating my packages here, so I need to install the JDK. Okay, JDK here. Let me go back to particular my command section here. So this is the JDK. So this is the Ubuntu, right? So this is the sudo apt install JDK. Control C. So I am just going here. So I'm just installing the JDK here. Sudo apt install open JDK. So it will installing the JDK here. Okay, so after I will show you. So I will show you the Java version. So it is installed or not. I will show you that with you. It will take a few seconds. Okay. So then meanwhile I will copy the another command here. Where is that? So after that, so I will Java version I will show you. So then I will clone my GitHub repository to with my EC2 instance. Just I'm copying here. Okay. So yeah, it will yes 78 90 78 90 91. Yes, it's done. It's almost done. So if you want to check, just Java hyphen version. Okay, you can able to see, right? So this is the Java installed Java installed OpenJDK. So this is the runtime environment. Okay. So if you want to run the Java application, so you need the Java runtime environment. So then only you can able to run your application, right? So that's why I installed the JDK here. So I'm cloning my GitHub repository. Not this one. One second. So where is the command? So I'm going to my GitHub. So I'm copying this one. So go back to EC2 instance. So I'm just cloning my, yes. So now I clone. So I'm listing ls. So this is the, I'm moving to the repository. So copy here, just paste here. Okay. So then I'm again listing the files here. So this is my project. This is the folder here. So I'm copying here. Again, I'm CD here, changing the directory here. So I'm going to my So VPC. So now I am going to list the applications in this pro folder. So just clear again ls here. So this is my simple web server Java application. So if you want to run this application, just copy this one. So whenever you want to run your Java C, just to paste here, just click on run here. So it is compiled successfully. So Java C simple web server application. So I am running my I'm compiling my program. So then after compiling the program, so you need to run your application. So Java, 1 second. So Java. So just you need to give the name here. So the server is running on port 8080, right? It is so I mean it means our my application is running on this EC2 instance. Now go to here. I am taking the new browser here. http http:// so I will give my public IP here. Let me go back to EC2 instance. Where is my EC2 instance? Yes, this is my EC2 instance. Okay. So just I am copying this IP here. One moment. Previously, yeah. So yeah, this is my IP address and port 8080. Okay. So when I am entering this port 8080, I am not able to access the application. Okay, because of the security groups. Okay, so let me go to the EC2 instance. Here we are having the security. What does the security group like? It will having the two inbound and outbound rules. So inbound and outbound rules. So the request it is coming from the coming from outside to AWS instance. So that is inbound rule. So the request is going out from the AWS. That is outbound rule. So here edit inbound rule here. If I want to access 8080, so there is no 8080 port here. So there is no rule here to allow 8080 here. So then I can add custom TCP. I am giving the port range as 8080. Okay. So custom TCP. Okay. So save the rules here. So anywhere. Okay. Just I can anywhere. If you this port is allow. So any request it is coming from 8080 port, you can allow, and you can show you can give access to our application. So I am saving the rules here. Okay, one moment. Yeah, successfully saved the successfully rules are modified. So then I am going to again I am just refreshing page here. Now you can able to see welcome to VPC demo project. So welcome to AWS series here. This is the simple VPC demo project hosted on the EC2 instance. So explore the AWS networking concept with this demo. So this is the concept. So this is the security group. So now I will go to the network access control list here. So instances running here. So this is my VPC ID. So I am going to VPC here. So this is my VPC here. So now I will open this here. Maintain so network access control list here. So main network access control list here. So what are the main access network control list here? So we can see this one. Open this one. So here it is showing like all traffic allow with the 100. So I am editing the inbound rules here. So edit inbound rules here. So add new rule here. So just I am giving 80 custom TCP. I am providing 80. Okay. I want to deny my application here. Whichever the port coming the request with the port 80, I want to deny. So just to save the changes here. Okay. Open another browser here, Firefox. I'm opening the Firefox here. Give me a moment. My system is very slow. I don't know why it is very slow. Okay. So Firefox, open here. I am opened here, Firefox. So yeah, HTTP. One moment. HTTP colon. I need to copy this IP address. So where is this IP address? Previous IP address. Let me go back one moment. Yeah, so I will copy this IP address here, or I can do directly enter copy this one. So I will go back here. So Control V here. I am just entering here. Right now, you are not able to access this particular application with the 80 port here. Why? Because we are configured the network access and network access control list with the rule port 80. So now go back to our VPC here. Okay. So this is the network access control list here. So these are the inbound rules, and it is denying this particular 80 port 80. So because we configured the rule like in the network access control list in the subnet level, we configured like whichever the request it is coming from the port 80, you must need to deny that service. Okay. So in our AWS DevOps engineers, so some projects are some project ABC projects. For example, ABC project in our organization level. So the request it is coming from the port 80. So we need to deny that request. So then we can configure it as edit inbound rules. We can provide the custom TCP 80 and we can deny. So after that, I will edit inbound rules again here. Then I will show you. Okay. So I will just allow here. Okay, I'm just saving the rules. Whichever the request it is coming from the 80. So you need to allow. So I'm saving the rules again here. Now I will go to the Firefox here. Where is that Firefox? Yeah. So now this is the one. Yeah. Now I will run this application. Now you can able to see, right? Now I am able to access the application here. So there are two types we can configure our network. One is subnet level. Subnet level we can configure as network access control list. One is instance level. Instance level is that is security group in the EC2 instance. So this is the concept I want to explain today. So please subscribe my channel. Please share it with your friends. Okay, and if you're having any doubt in a particular timestamp, so you can provide the timestamp in the comment section. I will definitely give you reply to your comments. So this is the concept I want to explain today. And today, so I think everyone is able to understand the things here, right? So let me show me today's concept here. Yeah. Yes. So this is the concept. This is the concept I want to explain today with you guys. So here, this is the subnet level. This is the security group here. So this is the instance level. Instance level, we are using the security group here. This is the subnet level. We are using the NACL here. So this is the concept today I want to explain, and I explained the concept like how to create VPC and how to configure the NACLs. So this is the concept I want to explain today. So tomorrow I will explain one more concept. Okay. So I'm stopping share. I'm stop share. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you for your support. So please subscribe my channel